Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to add funds to your SmartCash account step by step. First, make sure you have the SmartCash app from the Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log into your account. Once you are inside your SmartCash account, you will see your account details. You may notice that one number is your phone number and the other is your SmartCash account number. Copy the correct account number so you can use it for the transfer. Next, open the app or bank account you want to send money from. Paste the SmartCash account number into the recipient field. When the account name appears, select SmartCash and confirm that the recipient name is correct. Now enter the amount you want to send. In this example, the payment is $5. Review the transaction carefully, then confirm the transfer. After that, go back to your SmartCash wallet to check the payment status. Once the payment is successful, you will see that the money has been received in your account. That is how you fund your SmartCash account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.